Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Clip English, your cozy place to speak English fluently, no heavy studying required.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia. Today's approach is refreshingly simple, right?
It really is. Today's episode is called No Study, Just Listen, Speak Fluently, and we're doing it through real English conversations, start to finish.
No grammar explanations, no vocabulary lists, just listen, absorb, and repeat naturally.
Let's begin with our first real conversation about morning routines.
Good morning, Olivia. You're up early today.
I am, actually. I couldn't sleep much, so I decided to just get started with my day.
That happens to me sometimes, too. Did you at least manage to have breakfast?
Just coffee so far, but I'll grab something small in a bit.
Coffee counts as breakfast in my book, honestly.
Let's move to our second real conversation about weekend plans.
Any exciting plans for the weekend, Olivia?
Nothing too exciting, honestly, just some relaxing time at home.
That sounds perfect, actually. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what we need.
Exactly. I've been busy lately, so this weekend is all about resting.
Enjoy every minute of it. You've definitely earned it.
Now let's practice a real conversation about work.
How's work going for you this week, Olivia?
Pretty busy, honestly. Lots of meetings and deadlines piling up.
That sounds stressful. Are you managing to keep up with everything?
Mostly, yes. Though I could definitely use an extra hour in the day.
Couldn't we all, honestly? Just take it one task at a time.
Let's practice a real conversation now about food and restaurants.
Have you tried that new restaurant near the office yet?
Not yet, but I've heard really good things about it from coworkers.
We should go together sometime this week, honestly.
I'd love that. How about Thursday after work?
Thursday works perfectly for me.
Now let's practice a real conversation about traveling.
Do you have any trips planned for this year, Olivia?
Actually, yes. I'm planning a short trip next month. Nothing too far.
That sounds lovely. Do you prefer traveling alone or with company?
Honestly, a mix of both, depending on my mood at the time.
That's a healthy way to look at it, honestly.
Let's practice a real conversation now about hobbies.
Have you picked up any new hobbies recently, Olivia?
I actually started painting again, just for fun, nothing serious.
That's wonderful. I've always admired people who paint, honestly.
You should try it sometime. It's surprisingly relaxing.
Maybe I will. You've convinced me.
Now let's practice a real conversation about feelings.
You seem a bit tired today. Is everything okay?
Just a long week, honestly. Nothing serious, though. Thank you for noticing.
Of course. Make sure you get some proper rest this weekend.
I definitely will. Thank you, Michael.
Anytime. That's what friends are for, honestly.
Let's practice one final real conversation about future goals.
What's one goal you're currently working toward, Olivia?
Honestly, improving my English speaking confidence, step by step.
That's a wonderful goal, and honestly, you're already doing great.
Thank you. That really means a lot, Michael.
Anytime. Keep going. Consistency is honestly everything.
That's 8 real, natural conversations completed together today. Okay, let me share something real. I had a listener who told me grammar books never actually helped her speak, no matter how many she studied.
We had her simply listen to real conversations daily, exactly like the ones we did today, repeating naturally afterward.
Within 3 weeks, she told me speaking finally started feeling like a normal habit, not a stressful task.
That's the real power of no study, just listening. Real fluency built through real conversation.
So, here's your challenge. Pick one conversation from today and try having a similar one yourself out loud using your own real answers.
Comment below and tell us which conversation today felt most similar to your real life.
If this helped you, please like this video, subscribe to QLip English, and come back for more real conversation practice.
Speaking of what's next, in our next episode, we're doing No Study, Just Listen, Speak Fluently, Part 2, with 8 brand new real conversations.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
See you next time. Bye.